多钱啊？
Advised that a simple and cost-free treatment was available, the farmer readily agreed. The trimmer's treatment involved using rubber bands to constrict the wart. This method was not only safe and free, but also aimed to cut off blood circulation to the wart. Over time, without blood supply, the wart would wither away like a dried bud. After applying several rubber bands, the wart turned into a firm, small lump.
In my 30 years of having cats, and I've had some weird cats, I have never seen a cat sit like this.